Welcome to Kanien'keha.
Today we're going to be looking at how to introduce yourself and how to interact with someone upon first meeting them. So when you first meet somebody, the first thing you do is you ask, what's your name? So Ionkwateweienhstonhatie literally means Ionkwate, what? Yezayats, do they call you?
And then to reply to that question, you would say your name, your jets. For example, Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, your jets. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie is what they call me. Where?
No de Yezayats.
Ionkwateweienhstonhatie, your jets. Oknizo, no de Yezayats.
Kaya dio ni yojats. Secondly, you would ask somebody what their last name is. So you would say Ionkwate dezasanazere, which means what follows your name, or what is your last name.
And then to reply, you would say your last name, dewaksanazerde. And notice how the word starts with de in both of them. It starts with de, so you keep the de, and then you would add your pronoun depending on who's doing the talking. Here it's dezasanazerde, and for me, dewaksanazerde. For example, Macumber dewaksanazerde. Macumber is what follows my name, or Macumber is my last name.
Ionkwate dezasanazere.
Macumber dewaksanazerde. Oknize, Ionkwate dezasanazerde.
Barnes ni dewaksanazere. And then to ask somebody how old they are, you would say do not dezoseriagu, which literally translates into how many years have you crossed? The S being the pronoun for you.
Then to reply, you would say the age you are, not dewagoseriagu, the wak meaning me. For example, Gayeri ni wasadegani, not dewagoseriagu. I'm 42 years old.
Donat dezoseriagu.
Gayeri ni wasadegani, not dewagoseriagu. Oknize, donat dezoseriagu.
Dawasa degani ni not dewagoseriagu. And then to ask someone where they live, you would say Gatnuwe zenagare, which means where do you live? The SE being the pronoun for you. Where do you live?
Then to reply, you would say the place and then genagare. Ge meaning me and nagare where I live. So, for example, Gatnawage genagare. Gatnawage is where I live.
Gatnuwe zenagare.
Gatnawage genagare. Okniza, Gatnuwe zenagare.
I oni Gatnawage genagare. Nyawaji was a wadarorage, Skatni Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Thank you for watching. Skatni Ionkwateweienhstonhatie.
What's the See you all again.
Onegiwahi.